we'll guide you through how to make rotate transition in After Effects. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Adobe After Effects on your computer and wait for the program to load completely. After the workspace appears, create a new composition to begin your project. Set the composition settings you need, then confirm to open the timeline. Next, import your video clips from your computer into the project panel. After the clips have been imported, place both clips in the timeline in the order you want them to appear. Overlap the clips slightly so the transition area is created between them. Once the clips are arranged, select the first clip in the timeline by clicking it. Press R on the keyboard to open the rotation property. Enable keyframes by clicking the stopwatch next to rotation so the movement can be animated. This creates the first keyframe at the current playhead location. Move the playhead forward to the point where the transition should happen. Then rotate the first clip quickly by changing the rotation value. A new keyframe will be created automatically, causing the clip to spin during playback. After creating the spin motion, press S on the keyboard to open the scale property for the first clip. Enable keyframes if needed, then scale the clip smaller by reducing the scale value as it rotates out. This makes the first clip shrink while spinning away from the screen. Next, select the second clip in the timeline. Press R to open the rotation property and place the second clip starting from an outside rotation value, so it begins turned away from view. Enable keyframes for rotation, then move the playhead to the end of the overlap and rotate the second clip into its normal front-facing position. After that, press S to open the scale property and set the second clip from a smaller size to its normal size during the transition. This creates an entrance effect while it spins into place. After setting both clips, add motion blur to make the movement smoother and more natural. Enable motion blur for both layers and activate it in the timeline controls. Next, preview the animation by playing the timeline from the beginning of the overlap section. Once everything looks correct, add the composition to the render queue. Click Render to export the final video. Your spin transition is complete.